Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames.
Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Today I'm going to do a wonderful glam home decor haul for you all. I recently went on a mini vacation, guys, and while I was there, guess where I shopped? Where's Shell's favourite shop? Tkmaxx Australia, and the store that I went to was in Tuggerah Westfields on the central coast of New South Wales, and they had the most beautiful glam decor. It was just like whatever come in on that truck was just glam, glam, and more glam. So I thought I'd show what I picked up. I had some gift vouchers that were given to me for Christmas, so I couldn't wait to use them at Tkmaxx. Now the first item I have, I've always wanted, guys. I've been on the hunt for one of these in forever. Now, it's a glam mirrored tray. I do have a few mirrored trays, but I don't have a mirrored tray that's completely mirrored. So when I spotted this one at Tkmaxx, I just thought it was stunning. I love the size of it. It's really, really good quality. It's very heavy, guys, and I just think it's going to look so stunning on my coffee table. Now, it was $39.95, and I just think it's such good quality. And it's so glam. So that was the first piece that I picked up. Now, while I was there, they were also putting out their Valentine's Day decor. Now, I love Valentine's Day, guys. It's probably one of my favorite seasons because it's when my husband actually proposed to me 21 years ago. Can you believe I've been married 21 years? It's crazy how quickly time flies. So the first item I found in their Valentine's Day collection was these cute little dish towels. How adorable are they, guys? And they say, "You're my other half," and they're just the cute little avocados on the front. I just loved this. So there's actually 2 of them, so it comes in a 2-pack, and they were $9.95. Also in the Valentine's Day collection, they just brought out all their Valentine's Day throws. Now, majority of them were red, but I really wanted to stick to a neutral theme this year. So I was really drawn to this throw blanket that is in the latte color. So it has all little love hearts all over it, guys, and it's a really large, heavy throw. It was, let me see, it was $49.95. The thing I love most about it, it would probably almost fit my entire queen size bed. And I just loved how it had the delicate little hearts on it. So those were the 2 things I picked up in the Valentine's Day collection. I then found this little sign that I was really drawn to. And I love this quote, guys. Whenever I see this quote, I'm just drawn to it straight away. It's very simple, but it says, "Believe in yourself." And I love how sparkly and glam it is with the glitter. Now, it was $12.95. So I thought this would look really cute. I have lots and lots of quotes throughout my home, but I thought I'd put this one in my office, which is where I do most of my work for Chelles Glam Home. Then I was, you know, your girl Chelle just does not need another cushion. I can't help it, guys. Tkmaxx have the cutest cushions. It's like, okay, don't go in and buy a cushion and I come out with 4 of them. Like, seriously. But I had to get this beautiful buffalo check cushion. I just think it is so, so cute. Now, I've got that upside down, haven't I? Let's turn it the right way up so you can see it. But yes, it says home on the front. And I really love buffalo check. It's not a glam pillow, but it's definitely something that I really love. It was $34.95 and it's very, very heavy, guys. It's quite large. And I can do the karate chop as well. So that was the one and only cushion that I purchased. Now, the thing that I loved the most out of this whole haul was, you know, those Z Gallery. We don't have Z Gallery here in Australia, so all my overseas friends, they always post all these beautiful glam vases and candle holders from Z Gallery. So I've noticed that every now and again my Australian friends might pick up one in TK Maxx that looks like a Z Gallery inspired piece. So I was so excited when I spotted these. Look at these babies. These are these beautiful glam candle holders. Now this is the medium size. Look at that sparkle, guys. It is just beautiful. And oops, $19.95 for the medium size one. And then of course I had to get the large one. I just love the detail, guys. They did have these in gold, but there was only one large gold one and they didn't have the medium gold one, so I wanted the pair. So I'm really loving this, and I think they go so perfect in this room actually with all the silver and the blue tones that I've got. I think this will look so perfect. I'm not really sure where I'm going to put them in the house yet, but I will find a spot. That's what I tell my hubby all the time. I'll find a spot. So that was those two. So guys, basically that is my haul. I know it was short and sweet, but that's what I picked up at TK Maxx. I was so in love with everything that they had there. You know, I'd love to bring it all home. I think we all would, but yes, if you're in a TK Maxx in the next couple of days, I'm sure you'll find that they've brought out everything sparkly and glam just after Christmas as they progress into Valentine's Day. So be sure to check out your local TK Maxx if you are in Australia, or I know in England they also have TK Maxx. And then for my overseas friends in America and Canada, I know you guys have TJ Maxx, Home Goods, quote me if I'm wrong. And you know, you tend to find, we here in Australia tend to find that we get stuff probably 3 months later than say America, but we do tend to get it. So it's starting to come in, which is really exciting. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this haul. Don't forget that I'll have new glam videos for you up very soon. I upload every second night, guys. So please don't forget to tap the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, and join Chelles Glam Home family. So until next time, guys, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Enjoy the start of the new year and stay blessed. Bye, guys.